Challenges specific to working on overhead transmission lines in mountainous terrain. Overhead transmission line. Number 1 challenges facing due to hard rock benching and excavation. Number 2. Hot blasting required to break the rock in benching and excavation. Number 3. Adverse weather condition leads to water flow in Wadi and damage of access road. Number 4. Difficulty in mobilizing resources due to tough terrain and remote area. Number 5. High altitude. Working at high altitudes presents challenges such as reduced oxygen levels, which can cause fatigue, dizziness, and other health issues for workers. Specialized training and acclimatization protocols may be necessary to ensure worker safety and productivity. Number 6. Rockslides and avalanches. Mountainous areas are prone to rockslides and avalanches, which can damage infrastructure and pose significant safety risks to workers. Implementing monitoring systems and protective measures, such as barriers and shelters, can help mitigate these hazards. Number 7. Remote maintenance. Maintaining overhead transmission lines in remote mountainous areas can be challenging due to limited access and difficult terrain. Establishing regular maintenance schedules, prepositioning spare parts, and utilizing remote monitoring technologies can help minimize downtime and ensure the reliability of the transmission system. Number 8. Wildlife protection. Mountainous regions often harbor diverse wildlife species, some of which may be endangered or protected. Construction activities can disrupt habitats and pose risks to wildlife. Implementing measures to minimize disturbances, such as habitat restoration and wildlife corridors, is essential to ensure compliance with environmental regulations and minimize negative impacts on biodiversity. Number 9. Cultural heritage preservation. Mountainous areas may contain archaeological sites or cultural heritage sites of significance. Construction activities must be carefully planned and executed to avoid damage to these sites and respect local cultural values. Engaging with local communities and heritage authorities early in the planning process is crucial to identify and address potential concerns. It seems like you're listing challenges associated with overhead transmission line construction. Here's a breakdown of each point. Number 10. Hard rock benching and excavation pose challenges such as increased labor and equipment costs, slower progress, and potential safety hazards due to the hardness of the rock. Number 11. Hot blasting is necessary to break through the hard rock during benching and excavation, adding complexity, cost, and potential environmental concerns to the project. Number 12. Adverse weather conditions, particularly heavy rainfall leading to water flow in Wadi, can damage access roads, causing delays and increased maintenance costs. Number 13. Mobilizing resources becomes difficult in tough terrain and remote areas, requiring specialized equipment, skilled labor, and logistical planning to overcome logistical challenges. These challenges highlight the complexities and considerations involved in overhead transmission line construction, especially in rugged and remote environments. These additional challenges highlight the complexities and considerations specific to constructing and maintaining overhead transmission lines in mountainous terrain, requiring careful planning, coordination, and adherence to safety, environmental, and cultural preservation standards.